Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the half double crochet increase. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made regular half double crochet stitches. And on the row that I'm currently working, I have made 2 chains. I am going to be working regular half double crochet stitches in between my increases. So in this first stitch right here, I am going to work 1 regular half double crochet. And now I am ready to do my increase. In the next stitch, you're going to work 1 half double crochet. And in that same stitch, you're going to work a second half double crochet. And that is going to be the half double crochet increase. Super easy peasy. So I'm going to work 1 in the next stitch. I'm going to do another increase. So I'm going to work 1 half double crochet. Then a second one in that same stitch. So that's what my increase is looking like. I'm going to do 1 in the next, then another increase, work 1 half double, and then a second half double in that same stitch. I'm going to repeat that for the rest of my row. So this is what my row is looking like so far. You can see that once we lay it down, that it's a little bit wider than my previous rows. And the reason being with those increases, if you keep making it, it is going to make your project become wider. So that is going to be how to make the half double crochet increase. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.